So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now to disable copy content or right click any type of protection of any any type of copy, duplicate or right click in your website. What we need to do, we will install a plugin through which we will disable it. Go on plugin, click on add new in search bar. Here we need to search for secure copy content protection and content lock. Here you can see, click on install, activate. Here you can see copyright copy protection. Click on it, go on here. Now enable copy protection of in all post type. If you want to disable on specific, disable it. Enable text selection. If you want to, you can't copy the content. Okay, save changes. Let's see if it is working or option. Right click on and off. Here you can see I can't able to copy it neither here, copy here, neither I can able to click right can click on. I can't able to do anything. I can just see the post here. I can go on any page anywhere, but I can't able to right click here. You can't copy content or anything. I can't able to do. So it's very simple. Using this plugin, you can easily protect it by just enabling it here. Very simple. So that's how you can disable right click and copy content, copy protection in your WordPress website for free. That's all. Thank you for watching.